this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, always on the hunt for a cute, confidence-boosting swimsuit that actually fits, then you're in the right place. Summer's here, and I've been testing out the Hanna Nikole women's high-waisted bikini sets to see if they're as good as they look online. Priced at just $28, it's the kind of affordable find that makes you do a double take. I was drawn to it not just because of the price, but because of how stylish and inclusive it looks, perfect for all kinds of body types and beach days, pool hangs, or even just feeling good in your skin. I've been wearing mine nonstop, and now I'm spilling all the details. From fit and fabric to those little design touches you just can't ignore. I'm giving you the real, unfiltered take on whether this viral bikini is worth adding to your cart. So grab your sunscreen and let's dive in. Okay, so let's talk about this Hanna Nikole high-waisted bikini set. Because, wow, I honestly didn't expect to be this obsessed. First off, the fit, chef's kiss. I'm someone who usually feels a little self-conscious in bikinis. So when I say this one gives every kind of support and coverage without feeling like a compression suit, believe me. The high-waisted bottom actually smooths everything out in the most magical way. Like, yes, it's tummy control, but doesn't pinch or roll down when you sit. I wore it all day at a pool party, and not once did I have to yank my bottoms back up. And the top? Super supportive. I've got a decent amount of chest, and I was able to run after my niece without panicking about a wardrobe malfunction. Honestly, that kind of confidence is priceless when you just want to enjoy the sun and not stress about your suit slipping. One of the things I adore most is how flattering the overall design is, especially the little swim skirt on the bottom half. It gives you the extra coverage on the hips and thighs, which I absolutely live for. But the best part? You can tie up to the side if you want to show a little more leg. It's the perfect in-between for days when you want to feel cute, but not too exposed. Whether you're lounging on a towel, taking beach pics, or just swimming, it moves with you. And let me tell you, the fabric feels so thick and high quality. Not that thin, see-through material that makes you need to wear shorts over it. It held its shape even after a full day in the water, and the colors stayed vibrant. I got the cherry print, and it's so fun and flirty without being over the top. Perfect for Instagram, but also totally chill for a low-key day with friends. Now, I'll be real, nothing's perfect, and while I'm in love with this suit, there are a few tiny things to keep in mind. The top runs a little short if you've got a longer torso, so if you're someone who likes more tummy coverage from the top half, you might feel like it rides up a smidge. I'm average height and it worked for me, but if you're on the taller side, just something to consider. Also, the pattern on mine is really pretty, but I can see how some might think it's not the boldest print, kind of subtle, which is great if you're not into loud designs, but if you're looking for something super eye-catching, maybe go for a different color. That said, it still turns heads, and I've had 2 strangers ask me where I got it. So clearly it's doing something right. I've taken this bikini on a mini beach getaway, worn it at a poolside barbecue, and even just lounged in it at home, and it's been my go-to all summer. It's especially amazing if you're someone who wants to feel confident in your skin. Maybe you've had a body change, or postpartum, pregnant, or just want a suit that fits without playing hide and seek with your insecurities. I was actually inspired to buy it because my bestie had the same one, and seeing her rock it gave me the push I needed. And now, I totally get why she loves it so much. The fact that it's under $30 is mind-blowing. This feels like a boutique suit that should cost twice as much. It's durable, doesn't fade, and the stitching has held up even after machine washing, gasp. I know I'm not supposed to, but I did it anyway. Overall, this is one of those rare swimsuits that actually lives up to the hype. It's comfy, stylish, functional, and makes me feel like I can take on the beach with zero anxiety. Whether you're new to bikinis or just tired of ones that don't stay put, this set is such a solid choice. It's not too skimpy, not too bulky, just right. And honestly, at this price, it's a total steal. I'm already thinking about grabbing another in a different print because summer isn't over and neither is my time in the sun. If you're on the fence, just go for it. Your future confident self will thank you. If this review helped you feel just a little more confident about suiting up this summer, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more Real Talk reviews. Let's build a squad that shines in the sun, one fearless swimsuit at a time. Can't wait to see you in the next one.